The 2026 Porsche Panamera GTS continues the brand's legacy of delivering high-performance luxury sedans that bridge the gap between sports car excitement and everyday practicality. Positioned as the sportiest member of the Panamera family, the GTS variant is engineered to emphasize driving dynamics, emotional engagement, and distinctive styling. For 2026, Porsche refines the Panamera GTS formula with more power, advanced technology, and a sharper focus on blending luxury with the visceral thrill of performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Panamera GTS is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers exhilarating performance. Porsche has enhanced the power output, pushing it beyond the already impressive figures of its predecessor, ensuring that acceleration remains instantaneous and engaging. The engine is paired with Porsche's lightning-quick dual-clutch PDK transmission and all-wheel drive system, which combine to deliver remarkable handling precision and confidence in all driving conditions. True to the GTS name, the car's exhaust system has been tuned for a deeper, sportier sound, providing a soundtrack that complements its thrilling acceleration. Driving dynamics have always been the hallmark of the GTS models, and the 2026 Panamera GTS raises the bar with an improved suspension setup and adaptive damping system. The standard air suspension has been recalibrated to deliver sharper handling while maintaining a comfortable ride, ensuring that drivers can enjoy long-distance journeys without sacrificing agility. Porsche's engineering expertise is evident in the car's ability to seamlessly transition from a composed luxury sedan to a dynamic sports car, adapting to the driver's demands with ease. Steering is precise and communicative, offering drivers a direct connection to the road, while Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus enhances cornering ability for a more engaging experience. The exterior design of the 2026 Panamera GTS sets it apart with unique styling cues that emphasize its athletic character. Darkened accents, black trim elements, and exclusive GTS-specific details highlight its sporty persona. The aggressive front fascia, larger air intakes, and sleek LED lighting give the Panamera GTS a commanding presence, while the coupe-like silhouette and muscular stance showcase its blend of elegance and power. Optional lightweight alloy wheels in bold designs add to its visual drama, while the adaptive rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics and stability at higher speeds. Inside, the 2026 Panamera GTS delivers a luxurious yet performance-oriented environment. Alcantara and leather upholstery dominate the cabin, accented by GTS-specific stitching and badging. The sports seats are designed to provide comfort during long drives while delivering excellent lateral support during spirited cornering. Porsche's attention to detail ensures that every element, from the driver-focused cockpit to the premium materials, enhances the sense of exclusivity. Advanced technology plays a major role, with a new generation infotainment system that includes a high-resolution curved display, seamless smartphone integration, and enhanced connectivity features. A digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, allowing drivers to prioritize performance data or navigation depending on their preference. Practicality remains a strong suit of the Panamera GTS, offering four-door convenience and a spacious interior that makes it suitable for both family use and executive travel. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom and comfort, while cargo capacity ensures that the car can handle daily practicality as easily as weekend getaways. Despite its focus on performance, the Panamera GTS strikes a balance by delivering versatility that few other high-performance sedans can match. Overall, the 2026 Porsche Panamera GTS embodies the brand's philosophy of combining everyday usability with sports car excitement. It is a machine built for enthusiasts who want thrilling performance without compromising comfort, luxury, or practicality. With its more powerful engine, refined suspension, distinctive design, and cutting-edge technology, the latest Panamera GTS represents the ultimate expression of Porsche's ability to blend two worlds into one cohesive, exhilarating package.